So guys, how to create highlighting text animation in Filmora? It's really simple. Let me show you the preview. We have our sample video on the timeline. Now go to stock media, then library, solid color, then the color as a highlighter, suppose the green one. Left click, drag and drop to the timeline. Give it same length as our video footage. Now select the clip, go to effect, video effect, utility, crop. Left click, drag and drop over the clip. Then go to right side, reduce the opacity like 70% so that we can see what's below us. Then the effects, drag the top slider, then the bottom. To accurately move, left click on here and drag. Then the left side, suppose 5.5, then the right side. Now suppose from 1 second we want to start our animation. So move the playhead to 1 second. Click on these buttons to make your fast keyframes. Now the animation duration, suppose 1 second, so move to 2 seconds. Same, make keyframes. Click on this small back arrow to move to the fast keyframe. Now go to right slider and move it. 9.5, 5.5, 100%. Let's see what we have. So we have our marker animation. Now go to image, increase the opacity to 100%, change the blend mode from normal to darken. Now suppose we want to mark this part. For that, follow the same process. Move the playhead to the start of the animation. We want some delay here. Make keyframes. Now move to the end of the animation. Suppose around here. Make keyframes. Click on back arrow. Right. Increase it. Go back to image. Increase opacity. Blend mode. Darken, and we are done. See, it's really that simple. So guys, that's how easily we can create highlighting text effect in Filmora. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.